Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, enjoy the family. I'd like to say thank you so much for your time supporters. Love you guys. Thank you for coming back to support me. So today's video we're going to be trying on the products for Boxycharm February, and this month theme is treat your heart out. Nice. This month they didn't come any info in the card. That's the only cards I got in the box, so I don't know price, nothing, not nobody. So we're gonna try the product and show you guys, and that's that. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay $27.99 and get 5 full-size products from different brands, and then you can get skincare, makeup, tools, sometimes nice little box every month. And the box comes with a really good value, up to $125 or a little bit more, paying only $27.99. What? And they also have the premium and the luxe box. That's other box that you pay a little bit more and you get more products for them. Okay, so let's do this so this video don't get so long. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and join us. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media, Instagram and TikTok. I'm gonna have the link down below. So the first product we're going to be trying for February Boxycharm is going to be this Gold Fading MD. First time I hear about this brand. Problem Uneven Skin Tone Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. This one have vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. Okay, brights and glow the skin. So this is the product. Some to my skin. I will tell you guys a little bit more about this, but unfortunately I don't know if this was a mistake by Boxycharm or if it was on purpose, but my little card that comes in the box, it comes like this, and there is not info here whatsoever about any of the products, and this was the only card that come in the box, so I don't know the price for this. I can look up on Boxycharm, and when I be editing I can put it here for you guys. The product smells fresh, smell like, I don't know, little citrus out there. And my skin has been acting out lately. I've been getting some pimples. I never had pimples, I don't know why. Yeah, so first time I heard about this Gold Fading MD, I think that's the brand. You can wear these in the morning and in the evening on clean skin. It is made in the US with globally sourced materials. Alright, so let's see how this works on the long run. Alright, so this was product number 1. I keep looking for the card and there is no info on the card. So the next product is going to be, this product is repeated. I do own this product already, and I'm sure that I got from Boxycharm because I don't remember buying. This is the Better Skin and Co. Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff, Anti-Dark Spot Serum. You can use morning, evening, apply to clay skin. A little bit in each eyes. You just need one little drop. And this was the product number 2. So the next product here we have eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. That's the eyeshadow palette here. Not open so you guys can see. Very pretty shades. The only thing that I don't like about this palette is it does not have a mirror. So we're going to be trying these. And then we have here Give Them La La Beauty. This is booty call lipstick. And then we got a Benefit mascara here. So I'm going to go off camera, do all my base and everything else, and we come back to try the eyeshadow palette, mascara, and the lippies. Alright, so bear with me. Alright guys, so I'm back for we try our next February Boxycharm product. So I have my makeup done. I just don't have the eyeshadow, the mascara, and the lippies. So first we're going to try the lippies because my lips is bare. So this is a matte Hydramate lipstick from Give Them La La. This is the brand. The shade is Booty Call. I like the color, it's pretty. It is like a nude, but I like it. I'm just going to add a little bit of lip liner so I can make this a little darker. I don't know how I feel about this lipstick. I made my lips a little bit dry, but the color is very pretty. Alright, so now let's go with our next thing. We're gonna use the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette and create a little quick look. That's the palette here, super pretty. So I'm gonna go in with the bread pudding shade. Let's just blend it. It's a very light shade. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the mango pudding shade just because it's a beautiful orange like. Really pretty, the bread pudding shade. I like this shade. Alright, now I'm just gonna go in with the brush. A little bit of fallout, so some around the edges. Alright, so I just went in with the butterscotch shade, and I add a little bit to my in the corner. Overall, I like the palette. Pretty, the colors performs really good. Now let's go to mascara. Supercharged Black Benefit Cosmetic Mascara. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna curl my lashes really quick. Okay, let me tell you guys, I think that I found my new favorite mascara. This mascara looks really good. Crazy the amount of length that actually gave me. Love the mascara, 10 out of 10. Alright, and this is all for this February Boxycharm try on. So unfortunately there was no info on this card. It just say we even got something epic in the works. Can't wait to tell you all about it. So you follow Boxycharm so you can find out what is the epic upcoming news. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you guys next video. Bye.